Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, nut-free, refined sugar-free, super creamy, super quick and easy. This is the healthiest chocolate ice cream ever made, and it's so delicious. A whole can of chickpeas is the game changer. It replaces the eggs and cream, but you get the real ice cream texture and flavor. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas. Next, throw the whole thing into a powerful blender. Then pour hot water over 6 dates. And add them too. Along with a bar of the melted dark chocolate. Now blend it until it's super smooth. Put it in the freezer until done. And enjoy a super creamy and super healthy chocolate ice cream! Thanks for watching!